And I want to address the entire country, the nation. What happened yesterday is not our need. It's for some people, individual, to protect their will, not entirely. I need to apologize before the entire country. What happened yesterday is not good. We don't want tribalism in this country. And President Yoweri Museveni is very innocent on what happened yesterday. So people about the Kampala, across all the country, Barara, entire the country. What happened yesterday in Gulu City was so sad. Even the Acholi Leaders was very annoyed on that. We are not happy even now. Because our vote was clear, we need to vote to Museveni. 100% as another is. But Bobi Wine he has right mandate to campaign. Because he took nomination form and he has been nominated. And he's a candidate. He have right to campaign because he have all the roadmap. And the same government give him a security. Be escorted by the police. But how we people, those people who have interest to mobilize Ghetto youth. Me, I know Busaman in Kampala. He's a Ghetto. He's a president advisor. Full figure. He's a Ghetto president advisor. When you're a good leader, why don't you mobilize for your people to get a good thing like the one in Kampala? Instead to mobilize using those people, innocent people, giving them what is it? Alcohol. Move around the city and beating people on the way. Grabbing something, looting, whatever. That's very bad. My people, my name is Dr. Jacob Otabi. I'm a chairman of NRM Chairperson. So let us mobilize, let us vote for President Museveni on the 15th. Next year on January. But that thing must be stopped. Must stop. Must stop. Don't use poor people to protect your will. Don't use poor people to protect your business. Don't use poor people to protect your family. I'm not happy. Bobi Wine is a Ugandan. He have right. No one could stop him coming anywhere. He's a candidate. Has been nominated.